And welcome back, dear friends, to my channel. This is Taz from Taslimamayaart. I hope you're doing well today. And if you're new here, do check out my other tutorial videos on my channel. Everything from resin art, acrylic pouring, mixed media and more. I'd like to say a big massive thank you to all my channel members: Sin Gailey, Art by Sparkle, Travelling Tramps, Terry Lechner and Kim Cuervo. Thank you so much for all the support you extend to me to help me keep this channel going. And here are some discount codes for you as well. That's colourart.com, resiners.com, pandahall.com and Artistic Painting Studio. Referral links are all in my description box below. So today, my dear friends, I'm going to be trying my hand at doing the SheleeArt Bloom. It's going to be the largest bloom I've ever attempted, and it will be on a vinyl record, which I've also never done, but the reason I'm doing it on a record is to actually create a clock out of this eventually, and I might pour resin over it in a future video just to make the back sturdier. And I'm going to be using a hairdryer to blow this out for the first time too, so lots of firsts in this video. I hope you enjoy it, and as usual we have the entire lineup of the Fluid Art Express with a playlist down below, so please do go show them some love and support. So first things first, I needed to pick a colour palette. I had some colours here mixed up from a workshop I ran in the UK, but I added a very vibrant red and a violet to complement the colours. I also needed to pick which device I was going to use to blow it out, and I chose the Babyliss small travel hairdryer. I did the usual due diligence and made sure that my old record vinyl was laying flat, and I taped up the back just to make sure that hole was completely taped up and it looked clean and tidy. I gave it a wipe with some alcohol wipes, and it's lying on my glass Lazy Susan. So you'll see me lay my pillow paint down, which is an emulsion silk paint, and then I layer my colours, put my cell activator down, my SheleeArt cell activator, which is oxide black and Australian Floetrol, and I will blow it out using my hairdryer. Wish me luck, I've never used this hairdryer on it before, and it's the first time. So hopefully I'll get the maneuver right, and if not, I'll learn anyway. So yes, I'm going to leave you with some music now. Hope you enjoy this. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.
No one ever knows where we're heading, where this story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna flight than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. You say, I wanna be the hero. No one ever knows where we heading, where the story goes. I just gotta hold on to my path. What feels right in my heart and my soul. I wanna be the hero.
moments are realer. A weight off my shoulder. Let me touch the sky. I'm seeing color. Living in wonder. Right here now. I'm gonna dance in the light. I'm gonna shout out for joy. Gonna live out this life like I never had before. Gonna take every breath as if I had no one. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light. It was too long, I suffered inside. I was locked in my mind and almost lost my soul. Cause all me was tangled and caught in my ego. But I'm right here now. I'm gonna dance in the light. I'm gonna shout out for joy. I'm gonna live out this life like I never have before. I'm gonna take every breath as if I had no more. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light. I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light. I feel your love, it's in the breeze. On every smile that I see, I close my eyes and hear your melody. It's inside of me. It's inside of me. I'm gonna dance in the light. I'm gonna shout out for joy. I'm gonna live out this life like I never have before. I'm gonna take every breath as if I had no more. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light. 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 Yeah.
So guys, I was truly astonished at how beautiful this looks. It's a beautiful rainbow bloom by the looks of it. All those colours that I put in are all visible on there, and I have to tell you the truth, I didn't use enough paint, and I'm not surprised because I've never done it this big before. I've not used a hairdryer before. So there's a couple of things I learned. Number one, use more of the coloured paint and put more down if it's much bigger. This old vinyl record is much bigger than the canvases I've used in the past, and on top of that I don't think I used enough CA either, so I needed to put more CA down, cell activator down, and blow that out. I guess I could have done that with mauve to begin with and then span it out, but I'm not going to lie, it took absolutely ages of spinning to try and get this to reach the edges, and I didn't really want to go back in with a hairdryer because I would have ruined those beautiful colours and muddied them too much. Eventually I got to get to this stage and it took a fair few more spins to try and get it right over the edge, but I did persevere and I did actually get there in the end. It's absolutely beautiful. What do you guys think? I think it's gorgeous and I'm addicted again. So I do love blooming. I've always done it on smaller pieces like coasters, but look at this and I just love it. I think I would probably use more transparent paints or semi-transparent. So I did have one or two, but most of them were opaque colours. That wasn't a problem, but I think I'd try it again with more transparent paints. For anyone wanting to learn how to do this as well, I am free for one-to-ones over Zoom with you, so if you'd like to have a a quick one-to-one or talk to me, particularly if you're in the UK. I am UK based and I use UK products mostly, so if you want to get in touch, do so. You can message me or email me at taslimamayaart@gmail.com. But yes, I really like this and I'm going to give this another go. So much fun. I've got the cells looking perfect. They're gorgeous and glowy. Look at that. You can see the beautiful iridescent colour and all of the multicolours around the edges, which are blended beautifully, particularly that purple, blue and turquoise there. It's a stunner for sure. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. And also, if you've got any ideas for colour palettes, please put them in the comment box and I will do one specifically for you. But yeah, I'm in love with this piece and it worked out really, really well. I do need more practice with the hairdryer or the blower, but that'll all come in time, I think. And yeah, this was great fun to do. Really, really fun and a stunner. I am going to resin this piece once it's fully cured, fully dried, and I'm going to turn it into a clock. So do stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and hit the notification bell and hit all, because unless you do that, my videos won't surface in your feed and you probably never see my videos again unless you're a die-hard supporter already. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me on this learning exploration journey I'm having with lots of creative things, products, tools, techniques. I'm really, really enjoying it and growing as an artist every day. And yeah, I'd love to help you do the same thing. So do get in touch if you want to. And that's it from me today. I've got lots of little close-ups and flyovers here for you. On the Fluid Art Express today, you will see Wombat, aka Darren, aka Venom Fluid Art, coming up next. He's super talented, he's brilliant with blooms, total pro. I love his skewer work, so please do stay on and watch that. I'll put the link up in the comments in the live chat or in the description box below. And we've got all of the other players on the Fluid Art Express. And if you didn't know, I'm also on Patreon, so you can join me over there. So you can get exclusive content, behind the scenes videos, Patreon shout outs, unseen footage, and much, much more. Come along and get to know me and my art better by supporting me on Patreon. The link is down in my description box below for you. And up next is the talented Wombat on Venom Fluid Art. Let's see you over there.